Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and this is my Kobra S1, and we are continuing a few quick things here. Now, I am going to do something that is going to trigger some people. It always has from the time of the old enders. I'm breaking out a level. Yeah, I know. You're going to freak out. That's okay. Listen, here's my level. As level as I can get the printer side by side. Looks like it's just touching that left line. If I come up here on my print bed, that seems to be in the same place. Well, no, here's the thing. When I go front to back, it's going to get loud because you got to go in the printer. Did you see it? It looks like the bubble is forward. Now, if we drop you down here to the bottom, the bubble is going to get loud again. It looks like the bubble is on the back half. So our bed is sloped one way and our box is the other way. Is that going to make a difference? I don't know. I mean, this is attached to the frame. This is separate from that. So they're on different planes and axes. I mean, at least that's what I'm thinking. I'm reaching at straws right now trying to get this thing to print a good first layer and consistent, right? So, no. What are your thoughts on that potential issue? I'm checking off box after box. You know, I just did a single sheet with a stock hot end. That'll be the next video. Just gonna roll them out. Anyway, hey, let's keep this under 2 minutes and hit the stop button right now.